Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to share our Big Shot Plus Value Kit. The Big Shot Plus machine is just like our Big Shot machine, but has a larger working space of 9 inches, enabling you to work with larger dies and embossing folders. Included in the Big Shot Plus Value Kit is a large scale 8.5 by 11 all over leaf pattern, another large scale embossing folder, this beautiful lace flower design, and finally a large scale pillow box with a variety of different options to cut out for fallout shapes. So let's take a look at how all these work together. For large scale embossing, you are going to open up your folder, you're going to insert your piece of paper, and you are going to use adapter B for embossing with a cutting pad on the bottom, a cutting pad on the top to finish up your Sizzix sandwich, and then you roll that right through the Big Shot Plus machine. We're going to open up our folder to reveal a beautiful large scale all over embossed pattern. How great is that? Now let's take a look at how to cut using the Big Shot Plus. We are going to use adapter A on our platform, put down our cutting pad. Now remember those fallouts I mentioned earlier with the pillow box. You are able to insert your Thinlit die right into that allotted slot to either accent with a detailed decorative shape or accent with a more graphic flower shape, or you can leave it out altogether and just cut out a plain pillow box. But let's take a look at how it works with the graphic shape inserted into the slot. Add your final cutting pad to complete your Sizzix sandwich. And then you roll that right on through your Big Shot Plus machine. And when we remove the die cut, you're going to see that we've cut out our pillow box base shape. We also have this beautiful fallouts to give you even more design options. Let's take a look at some of the projects that we've created with this bundle. If we go over here, we can see that on this pillow box, we embossed using one of the large scale folders to give you this beautiful pattern before cutting out the pillow box. And this is a cutout of the all over leaf pattern. And finally the pillow box using again that graphic fallout pattern, and this was decorated to be seasonal, so you can tell that the pillow box can be used for gift giving all year round. So this has been a look at the Big Shot Plus Value Kit, embossing and die cutting on a larger scale.